In this video, I will show you how can you control motion of any video using a free tool, and also I will reveal the unlimited credits method. So let's get started. Simply go on Google and search for Weave AI. Open this second link in a new tab. Now follow me carefully. Click Sign In. Here, we won't use our Gmail, but we will use our Gmail. Let me remove your confusion. Click Login with Figma. Here you can see that we do not have the option of Create New Account. At this moment, write a good comment and DM me from the description your name in my Telegram to get this link. Paste it into a new tab and you will drop an interface like this. Now open Gmail. Copy the Gmail address from here, get back to the website and click in Temp Mail Generator V2. Scroll down, paste your Gmail here and click in Generate 10. Copy anyone from here and get back to Figma. Now right-click and tap on Inspect. Now focus on this top corner. You need to click on this little icon which will make this desktop into mobile preview. Okay, now it's done and you can see the ratio has been changed. Now refresh this page once. Here you can see the Create Account button already appears. Click on it. Paste the email that you copied just now. Click on Continue with Email and add a password. Most probably now it will give you puzzle to solve for not being a robot. No, click on this icon again and make it Desktop Preview and close the Inspect properties. Once you have submit the puzzle, they will send verification on your mail Gmail. So open the Gmail and verify from there, and you will finally drop on the official Weave interface. But still, we didn't reach the point of getting unlimited credits. So follow me. Simply click Create New File, and you will drop here. Now right-click in the canvas and add to Import Like Me. If you already have the video, then open the video using VLC Media Player. Now move the timeline at the very first frame and go to Video section and take a snapshot from here. Now open Flow and upload the image and write a simple prompt like change the girl and the dressing while keep the same environment. It will generate same pose but different girl in different dress like them, while you can choose one at your own preference. Now go to the Weave AI and import bot image and video like me. Now the one of the most important point, how to get the unlimited generatable model and how to access unlimited credit. Follow me. Open a new tab and search for File AI. Click the first link, but you don't need to sign in here. Click in Explore More. Now search here Motion Control. Open the first link and copy the link address like me. Now get back to Weave AI. Again, right-click and add Import Model. Here, paste the link and the model will be added on your canvas like this. Now connect the image node to image and video node to video like me. As you can see here, we only need 50 credits to generate one video. So you can generate 3 video using one Gmail, and you can get unlimited Gmail allies from the website. So you are getting unlimited video by one Gmail. Hope the video helped you a lot. Make a share and I will meet you in the next one.